I dropped off my customer, but he have no change. He have a note of 500 taka, and my fare is 150 taka. So and he is trying to get change. Let's see how many times he will need to get change. What is he? What is this? I feel like he have gone without paying my fare. Sorry. Not. He gave my fare. Fare is 150 taka. But I thought he went without pay my fare. Now I have to go online to get my next trip. Already I earned 300 taka. My fuel cost 190 taka. That means I earned 110 taka. I got another trip. Customer will go to Bokshi Bazar. Okay. I will accept this trip. I accept this trip, and now I have to see where is he. Where is he? Now I have to call him. Oh, she is a female customer. Okay, but I don't like to get any female customer on my bike. My customer is waiting inside the footover bridge of Donia College. Now I have to go there to pick her up. Now I have come near my customer's location, and where is she? I have to look for her. A lot of traffic here. What is this? It's holiday, but yet traffic. Helmet. I got my third trip from in front of the Shonirakra bridge, and now I am going to Bokshi Bazar.